Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm unboxing this. The small package has some TRU-VUE little film reels. I've already opened this up. It's on the side, so we should be able to take these out. I'll cut tapping them out. Okay, here they are. There's 2 bags, so 5 here and then 5 here. That's 10 in this bag. This one says another 5. So let's start with the smaller bag and have a look. So the first thing you'll notice about these is what this type, with just the red packaging, and this type has yellow and blue, also red. This is called Stereochromes, so chrome being colour, so I'm going to assume these ones are in colour, these ones are in black and white. And these are basically little images on little film reels. I'm going to assume these ones are also 2D and these ones, so I'm going to assume these ones are sort of stereographic 3D and these ones aren't. These are the little film reels that you could put in a little, similar to ViewMaster, except without using wheels that turn. These ones are just little film reels that get pulled through. So let's have a look at them. So this one is C11 Animals of the World. We'll open up one of the colour ones and one of the other ones, just so we can have a look at what they are. Here's this one. Looks like it's got a bit of damage. The end of the film reel is just sort of missing. A few bits is sort of ripped too long. So here it is. A bit hard to see. I'll try to roll it out. Doesn't look like it's in colour. It definitely is Animals of the World. But does this look sort of monochromatic, black and white? It also doesn't look like there's any more images, it looks like just one image. So it's also not stereographic, actually. I think it might be. So there's a gap between the corresponding images. So you can see there's one with a panda, then a bear. Then here's got another panda and another bear, so it looks like there's a gap of 2 images between them, so it's the right width between your eyes. This one doesn't look coloured like I just mentioned, it looks just black and white, so I'm not sure if it always looked like this or if it's just faded over the years. I'll put that one to the side. We'll get out of the way. We'll just get out of the way what this one is. This is Bryce Canyon. So let's open up one of these types now. This is depth photography. Okay, so this one, just compare them. On the side is orange instead of black. So I'm going to assume it's a different type of film they used. So here's the image. This is safety film in the corner, so I assume it's probably got chemicals in it, so it can't burn. So it's definitely yellowed quite a bit, but you can see the different images as we move along. So now we'll just have a look at what the different ones are. I won't actually open them up, I'll just have a look at what they're called and what's actually on them. And I'll probably in the future, maybe on a different channel, do a video looking at them and seeing what's on each of them, the actual images on the film. Sort of a better environment than this because it's quite hard to sort of unroll these and do it like this. So I'll just have a look at what other ones are called. If I do that, I will post a link to that video somewhere. There we go. So this one is Yosemite in National Park in America. Seven Falls in Cheyenne Canyon. So Cheyenne Canyon. That would also be in America. Then this one seems to be taped up. It's not just folded over like the other one was. There we go, so we've got another Yosemite. This one is number 3. This one was number 1. we have Mount Rainier. Looks like this was originally 35 cents when it released. I believe these were released in the 40s. This one is the Great Smoky Mountains. This one is Yellowstone. Crater Lake. San Francisco. Another Yellowstone, Yellowstone 2 this time. The other one was Yellowstone 1. Birds from Everywhere. Yellowstone 4. And Kings Canyon. So that's it for this video. If you liked this video, if you liked the video, comment down below any thoughts you had or ideas for future videos, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos like this in the future.